Alright, now I have picked up 10 super useful features on Samsung Galaxy phones which can be enabled through Goodlock application. Now if you do not have Goodlock, you can download FineLock or NiceLock application to install some of these modules from Goodlock app, or just wait for Samsung to release the Goodlock application on Play Store. Apparently it is going to come to all the countries, so let's wait for that. Now let's check out all these cool features. Now let's say you are using the S Pen on your Samsung Galaxy phone and you have opened a particular article and you are reading through that, and let's say you want to quickly take a screen grab of this article to work on the Samsung Note application. All you need to do is just press and hold on this button on the S Pen and double tap on the screen. Now you see the Smart Select is enabled. I can just select a portion of the screen or a portion of the content here and tap on pin. Now you see I have got this content right here on the screen. I can move it around and I can open the Notes application and create a new note and use this content for reference. And if I want to select the text from this article, I can just tap on the screen grab. I can tap on a T icon here and I can copy the text here, a portion of the text, and copy it on the notes right here. Now that's a pretty cool feature, and to enable this all you need is a Goodlock module called Pentastic. You see we've got Pentastic here. I'll open this. We've got some options to customize the Air Command menu here, and pointer options, sound for the S Pen tap, and then we have got the double tap shortcut right here. Just tap on this double tap shortcut. I have selected Smart Select right here, and we can select any shortcut that we want for double tap. We can also open a particular application by double tapping on the screen using your S Pen. Now let's say if you use calculator frequently, then you can select calculator. Now while you're on the screen and using the S Pen, just press and hold on this button and double tap on the screen to open the calculator. You need to press and hold on the button which is on the S Pen and then double tap on the screen. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Next, on Samsung Galaxy phone's lock screen, instead of just setting two shortcuts here at the bottom on the lock screen, we will be able to select multiple shortcuts, up to 6 shortcuts for applications or system settings for any applications that you want right here at the bottom of the screen. And we can set it to horizontal left corner, horizontal right corner, vertical left and vertical right corners, and have as many as 6 different shortcuts. For this, all we need is a Goodlock module called Lockstar. Just enable the Lockstar module and tap on this. Now here, when you tap on this empty space, you will get add sticker option, add widget option, and the music widget. And when you scroll up, you will be able to see the additional options for the shortcuts. And this may or may not be available on your Galaxy model, so be wary of that. Now this is where we can choose the applications or shortcuts that you want, up to 6 of them, and then set it on the lock screen, and that's a fantastic feature. And we can do a lot more using Lockstar module, for which I have made a dedicated video. If you have missed that, you can check out the link in the description. Next, when you take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy phones, at the bottom you get this toolbar where you can directly go to the gallery to access the screenshot. You can crop the image, you can tap on this tag button to tag that particular screenshot, then you can share the screenshot, and we have got an option to select the text here. Now every time we take a screenshot, it will directly get saved to the gallery. Now what if you want to delete that screenshot? For that, we have got a Goodlock module called Nice Shot. You see we have got Nice Shot here, and we have got an option here to add a delete button to the toolbar. When I enable this, you see whenever I take a screenshot on the Galaxy phone, we get this additional delete button. I can directly delete that screenshot right here. That's a useful button you should add right here on the toolbar. Apart from that, we also have an option to set do not disturb during screen recording. Just enable this. You will be asked to allow do not disturb permission, and just give the permissions, you are good to go. Now what happens is whenever you are recording the screen, the do not disturb will be turned on and you will not get those message notifications which will disturb your screen recording. Next, the most powerful module on the Galaxy phone's Goodlock application is One Hand Operation Plus. I'm sure most of you guys will agree with me. This is the application which is the most powerful Goodlock app on the Galaxy phone, because this application enables us to use the phone in one hand by setting different functionalities for different swipe gestures. We can just hold the phone in one hand and enable different functions by just doing a swipe gesture. You see, we have got left handle swipe, right handle swipe, and when you get inside, we also have short swipe and long swipe. Now you see we have got a list of features or swipe actions which can be selected for a particular swipe, and it's an endless list of options. We have got too many cool options, too many cool functions which can be selected. Now for example, you see I have selected a diagonal up for quick tools, and that is for the left handle. Whenever I swipe up from the left edge of the screen, you see we have got quick tools available right here, and I don't have to use use my two hands to swipe down from the top of the screen to access the quick toggles. All I can do is use my one hand and just swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the quick tools here. And for the same gesture, I have set a long swipe as well. You see, for diagonal up long swipe, I have set quick launcher. To activate this, all I need to do is again do a long swipe from the left edge of the screen and just hold it there. You see, we have got quick launcher menu right here. I can also customize this. You see, I have got the settings option. I can tap on that to add more applications to this panel. I can create a folder on this panel. You see, I have got this folder option. I can create a folder. You see, I can also tap on this button to add more applications here. Let me just add Bixby, calendar, clock. You see, I just added those options and it will appear right here. You see, the panel size is increased. We have got two more additional options. And here I can press and hold on a particular icon and tap on split screen to open that application in split screen. And all this can be done by using one hand. You see, I will just swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open this panel, which means I really don't need two hands to operate my phone, to open the applications, to open the quick tools. And likewise, there are many other things that we can do. We can set many other features, or let's say actions, which can be accessed with one hand. And likewise, I can set this for the right handle as well. I can tap on right handle. As you can see here, for diagonal up, I have selected Smart Select, and for long swipe diagonal down or diagonal up, I have selected rotate right. I can swipe diagonally up here. You see the Smart Select is active. I can select the screen and save it. And I can use the same gesture and just hold it there to rotate the screen to the right. And I can do that again here. You see, I don't have to activate the auto rotation on the toggle, which is kind of annoying most of the times, because every time you move the phone around or tilt the phone around, the screen will be tilted or the auto rotation is activated. Instead, you can activate this auto rotation whenever you want by just swiping from the edge of the screen. You see, I'm able to activate the auto rotation on the edge panel. This is again a crazy application that we have got on Samsung Galaxy phones. Next, we have discussed about touch macro on this channel. That's a feature which will enable us to automate the phone to execute some actions, and we don't really have to touch the phone to execute that. All we need to do is just tap on a button to execute the function. Now for this, we need a Goodlock module called Routines Plus. You see, I can tap on Routines Plus, and this is where we have got this option called Run a Touch Macro. This will start the routine to trigger a series of touch actions. Again, this is a very powerful feature on Routines Plus we have here. I have got a touch macro which is created on the home screen here. You see, I have got this YouTube touch macro. What this does is whenever I tap on this icon, it is going to switch my accounts on the YouTube application. You see, it is switching my accounts automatically. I don't really have to get into 2-3 steps to switch my account. It's very, very easy to switch the account by creating a touch macro. And I have made a detailed video about touch macro for you guys. So if you missed that, you can go ahead and check the description. I will leave a link for touch macro. A very powerful feature again, which you should check out. Next, we do have a brilliant feature on Samsung Galaxy phones called Samsung DeX, which enables us to convert the operating system of the mobile phone into a fully blown PC experience. And to complement this feature, we have got a Goodlock module called Multi-Star, which will enhance the DeX experience. You see, this is multi-star. Right on top, we have got I love Samsung DeX option. If you want to use Samsung DeX feature in high resolution, then you need to enable this particular toggle here. It says high resolutions for external display. You can use high resolution supported by DeX regardless of wired connection accessories. Device may heat up while using DeX. So that is something to note here. But if you enable this, you will be able to use a higher resolution for your external display, which we always wanted, and Samsung did not disappoint us. They offered this option through a Goodlock module called Multi-Star. And this also helps us in running multiple applications at the same time. All you need to do is just enable this toggle here. So this is a very cool feature that we have for Samsung DeX, which you guys should know. The next useful feature which can be enabled on Goodlock is the back tap actions, and that can be done through a Goodlock module called Register. Once you open the module, all you need to do is just open the back tap actions option. Here you can turn it on and then select the tap actions for double tap or triple tap on the back. You see, I've got double tap here. I have selected an application. I have selected YouTube Music. Whenever I double tap on the back of the phone, YouTube Music will open up. Likewise, I can select any applications or we can select a few other options that we have here. Likewise, we can select a triple tap action. We can execute some functions by triple tapping on the back of the phone, which is a powerful feature again, which is available on the Galaxy phone's Goodlock application. Now, these are some of the features which I wanted to include in this particular video. Probably I will include some more powerful features or useful features in the next upcoming video, because there are many other features which can be enabled through Goodlock, which will be very useful for the Galaxy phone users, and I will not be able to cover everything in this video, so I will make a separate video for that. And also please note that I have not included any customization features. I just wanted to include some of the functions which can be executed through Goodlock and which are going to be very useful in your day-to-day life. So there is no customization features included in this video. Maybe I'll make a separate video for all the customizations that are possible through Goodlock. If you're new to Samsung, then these videos are going to be very useful to learn the Goodlock module. That's all I want to share with you guys in this video. I have left a link for this particular wallpaper in the description. If you're interested, you can go ahead and download it. Every video I post will have a brand new wallpaper. If you're interested, you can download them. And let me know your thoughts about the Goodlock modules that I discussed in this video. If you have any other additional features that you want to add, do let me know in the comment section. That would definitely benefit the community. And do not forget to hit that like button for this video if you find it useful, and be sure to subscribe to the channel to know your Galaxy phones better. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.